Hello everyone, now we will learn another interesting case study which is named as Style in Fabric and Clothing SFC. First friends, as I always do, I will give you an overview after which we will go and discuss the slides in detail. Alright. First one, the company's name is SFC. This company is in the manufacture of cloth fabric. Alright. So this company was doing pretty well and they were able to hold on to the market, but suddenly they entered into a forward integration. Friends, I will tell you what is meant by forward integration. It is basically it purchased a company called as SDC. SDC is a company which is mainly into weaving. Now, once the cloth fabric is ready, only then can you go for weaving. And after they weave, they are targeting the customers having the age of 40 to 60 years. Alright. So first they were only into manufacturing the cloth fabric. Now they are into weaving also. So what happens is by doing so, they actually are getting differentiation advantage. I earlier told you there are two types of advantages, friends. One is called as a low cost advantage and the other one is called as differentiation advantage. Every business, in order to survive, they should have a competitive advantage. This competitive advantage can be either low cost advantage or it can be differentiation advantage. Low cost advantage means they are able to provide the same product at a lower price than the competitor. So that is how you get a low cost advantage. Differentiation advantage means you do something what others are not doing. That is what you call it as differentiation advantage. So here SFC was only into cloth fabric. That is anyway sold outside. That is also a raw material for weaving. So now they say they purchased a company called SDC which is into weaving, which is the next step of cloth fabric. Hence it is called as forward integration. That means there can be a cross selling. Cloth fabric can itself be sold to SDC. Alright. But SDC's weaving is all dependent on the target customers who fall under the age category of 40 to 60 years of age. So once they fall under this age category, they are not very much willing to change and they are people who are having economic crisis also. They don't want to go for very expensive products. Now suddenly, after going into forward integration, the profits of the company started falling down. This is what surprised SFC. They thought once they merge with SDC, they will be able to make better profit. But they were not able to make more profit. One of the major reasons is that now they have to manage not only SFC, they have to manage SFC also, they have to manage SDC also. So once the management and the headache goes up, definitely you will not be able to focus on SFC the way you were focusing earlier. So ideally what will happen, the profits over there will slowly come down. Let us read through the slide now. As I told you, SFC is into manufacturing cloth fabrics. SFC is producing fabrics from high quality synthetic yarn, blah blah blah. They opted for forward integration, purchased a company which is almost in the similar line of business, doing a value addition. That is Skylark Designer Cloth, SDC. SDC is into what? Designing and weaving of fabrics into fashion wear. So they are converting the raw material into finished goods. Age group is falling from 40 to 60 years of age. Now they want you to explain value chain briefly. Friends, value chain is basically the process which goes in your company and from the raw material till the customer. So there are the following things. First is inbound logistics. Inbound logistics means when the goods are coming into our company is what you call it as inbound logistics. Operation means converting the raw material into finished goods. That is what you call it as operations. Outbound logistics means sales, that is transferring it to the customer. Marketing and sales is the strategies that are used to sell more and more. And final part is what? Service. After I sell, suppose a shirt is given to a customer, there is some problem with the shirt, we should be able to replace the shirt. So these are the primary activities in Porter's value chain, friends. Inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and what comes finally over there? Service. I hope you are clear with this, friends. Secondary activities are firm infrastructure, HRM, technology, procurement. I told you about competitive advantage earlier. There are two types of competitive advantage: low cost advantage, differentiation advantage. We should focus on low cost in order to survive in the industry and try give them something different compared to the others. All right. Now what they have done, they have started targeting SDC. SDC is targeting on 40 to 60 years of age. They are price sensitive people, hence they can't go for competitive advantage will not be something which works over here. We have to be very much cost conscious. All right. This acquisition is what we call it as forward vertical integration. Once you do the integration, you have the following advantages coming up. Point number one, now you have to manage two production lines. Headache is more. Operation is sequential in nature. You can have cross selling, but you will have a higher carrying cost. You have to keep stock for cloth also. You have to keep stock for weaving and final finishing output also. It is very difficult to compete with other fabric manufacturers because now you are not a specialist. You are having multiple products. Benefits would be differentiation will happen. Customer specification you can understand from the market how the customers are responding. Competition will come down when you look at it from the bigger perspective. But the drawbacks are you have operation risk, you have financial risk. You may not be able to attract the requisite number of clients because you have too much to manage now. Even though it is there to complement the other product, there are other manufacturers doing the same, so there is stiff competition in the market. These are the reasons why the profit did not go up. I hope this video was clear to all of you friends. Thank you so much.